Hello kids, how are you all? Fine? Did everyone completed their practice work? Okay, so let's see the practice work. Let's see the worksheet. The first picture is of aeroplane. A says a as in aeroplane. The picture is not of letter D, so we will not circle it. The second picture is of drum. D says d as in drum, so we will circle the picture. And next picture is of duck. D says d as in duck, so we will circle the picture. Next picture is of bat and ball. B says b as in bat. B says b as in ball, so we will not circle it. Next picture is of cow. C says k as in cow, so we will not circle it. Next picture is of dog. D says d as in dog, and we will circle the picture. Next picture is of doll. D says d as in doll, and we will circle the picture. Now let's do the revision of alphabet D. Capital D, small d, mama D, baby D. The sound of letter D is D. The sound of letter D is D. D says d as in dog. D says d as in dolphin. D says d as in diamond. D says d as in duck. D says d as in deer. D says d as in daisy. D says d as in den. D says d as in doll. D says d as in donkey. D says d as in drum. D says d as in duster. D says d as in dragonfly. D says d as in disc. D says d as in dice. D says d as in door. Did you enjoy watching the video? Yes. Okay. So bye kids. See you later. Thank you.